This is the first time I'm using one of these iron-on patches. I got one that's almost as close. I pressed it flat as I could. Over here, that's going to fall apart. So I'm going to place it roughly there. In the packet of patches, I'm pretty sure there is no instructions. Just a bunch of patches. Square, small square, and oval. This is an old pair of Levi's silver tab baggies. Nope, definitely worked. Alright, wait for it. And there's the finished product. Maybe take a scissor, trim off some of this. Or my fixed knee.